Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is a meat chopper. I've actually been wanting one of these for a long time because every time I go to do like ground turkey or ground beef, I find myself wishing that I had one. So I finally got one, which I'm super excited about. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's actually got a really good weight to it, and all you do is just use it like this to actually like grind up your meat, and these things work absolutely amazing. You can see it has this little brand right there. This is like a soft silicone on this side, but then it's like a hard plastic right through there. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.